Hi, first graders. So for literacy today, I hope that you looked at my video for the story from Epic so we could look closer at what happens when a caterpillar changes into a chrysalis. We were talking a little bit about the different parts of an insect because caterpillars and butterflies are insects. And since the chrysalis is kind of the caterpillar's home, I thought maybe we could talk about some places that insects live. So we have insects live here, yes, and no, they do not live here. And we're going to look at some silly answers. So I'm going to put insects live here. And insects do not live here. Okay. How about the refrigerator? Do insects live in your refrigerator? No, but my calendar lives on my refrigerator. What about in the grass? Yeah, insects and bugs live in the grass. How about in a bush? Insects live in a bush. What about an igloo? No, but why not? It would be way too cold. They would be frozen. Insects like to live in warm places. What about a hive? Yeah, like a bee. Some insects build hives, and that's where they live. What about on the moon? No, why not? It would be really cold on the moon, and also they would have no oxygen, no air to breathe. Insects breathe oxygen, so they can't live on the moon. What about in a fire? Why not? It would be too hot. They like it to be warm, but not on fire. So insects do not live in a fire. What about in a hole? Yeah, some insects might live in the dirt. So now that we know where some insects live, let's talk about our insect or caterpillar kind of models that we've been making. So I made my leaf. I saw that some of you used a real leaf. I thought that was a cool idea. I had my egg that was on my leaf. Then I made my little caterpillar. I really liked some of your caterpillars that I saw. And then now I'm going to make my chrysalis or my cocoon. So I cut a piece from a cardboard box and I kind of made it shaped like a chrysalis. And I taped like a present ribbon because chrysalises hang from leaves or tree branches upside down. Then I found some green tissue paper I had from a holiday, and I got some clear plastic wrap because I noticed in the pictures in that story, some of the chrysalises were kind of clear and see-through, and you could see the butterfly growing on the inside. So I think I'm just going to take my cardboard chrysalis that I made and sort of wrap it up and see if it looks like a chrysalis. Let's see. And the plastic wrap is nice because it gets sticky and it'll stay. Okay. Here's my chrysalis. What do you think? Do you think it's going to grow into a beautiful butterfly? All right, first grade. So your job today, after you've listened to my stories and read a little bit more about chrysalises, and after you watch this video, is to make your own chrysalis to add to your caterpillar life cycle. What do you think we're going to build on Monday next week? A butterfly. Okay, I can't wait to see your chrysalises. I kind of like how mine turned out. Goodbye, first grade.